Most people don't lose money because they earn too little. They lose it because of one simple trap they don't even see. If you work hard, earn every month, and still feel stuck, this message is for you. Because the problem is rarely effort, and it's not intelligence either. It's the way money quietly shapes your decisions over time. This trap affects beginners, average earners, and even people with good salaries. It keeps people busy, stressed, and always waiting for the next paycheck to fix everything. Let's break it down calmly and clearly. No hype, no fear, just logic. The money trap almost everyone falls into is this. They let their lifestyle grow faster than their thinking. At first, income goes up. That feels good. You feel relief. Then something subtle happens. Your expenses follow your income. You get a raise. So you upgrade your phone. You move to a slightly better place. You eat out more often. You add a few subscriptions. Nothing extreme. Nothing irresponsible. Just small upgrades that feel deserved. And slowly, your expenses rise to match your income. At the end of the month, you're still asking the same question. Where did the money go? As income grows, comfort grows too. Comfort feels safe. Comfort feels stable. But comfort reduces awareness. You stop checking prices. You stop tracking spending. You stop asking, do I really need this? Not because you don't care, because things feel manageable. This is where the trap tightens. Money leaves quietly. There's no warning sound, no sudden problem, until one day stress shows up. Another part of the trap is being busy. Most people believe being busy means they're moving forward. They work longer hours. They take extra shifts. They do side work. But they never stop to ask a simple question. Is my money working, or am I just working harder? The trap isn't laziness. The trap is endless effort without direction. Then there's future thinking. People tell themselves, I'll save later. I'll invest when I earn more. I'll think long-term once things settle. But life doesn't settle. Expenses keep coming. Needs keep changing. Responsibilities grow. So future thinking gets delayed again and again. Years pass. Income comes in. Money goes out. And nothing really changes. Let's make this real. Imagine someone like Ahmed. Ahmed earns a decent monthly income. Not rich. Not struggling. When he first started working, he was careful. He tracked spending. He saved a little. He thought before buying things. Then his income increased, so his lifestyle increased too. Better phone, faster internet, more food deliveries, more convenience. Nothing reckless. But slowly his savings stopped growing. Ahmed feels stable, but not secure. If income stops for 3 months, stress begins. If a big expense appears, savings disappear. Ahmed isn't bad with money. He's just stuck in the same trap most people fall into. Here's the most common mistake. People focus on how much they earn, not how much they keep. They chase higher income without building control. They believe more money will automatically bring better decisions. But control doesn't come from income. It comes from structure. Without structure, more money just leaks faster. Another mistake is emotional spending. Not big emotional decisions, small ones. Spending because you're tired, because you're stressed, because you want to reward yourself. It's just this once. But just once happens again, and soon it becomes normal. Smart money thinkers don't avoid comfort. They control the speed of lifestyle growth. They decide in advance where money will go, not after spending it. Before, when income increases, they increase savings first, not lifestyle. They ask one simple question. What percentage of this income stays with me? They also separate spending from identity. They don't spend to feel successful. They spend to support their life. Most importantly, they rely on systems, not willpower. Because willpower runs out. Systems don't. Here's one simple step you can apply today. Freeze your lifestyle for the next 30 days. No upgrades. No new subscriptions. No small treats turning into habits. Just observe. Track where your money goes. Notice patterns. Notice emotions. This isn't punishment. It's clarity. And clarity breaks the trap. If you want daily clarity like this, calm, logical, and practical, subscribe to Cash Logic. We don't chase trends. We build understanding. Money doesn't need to be stressful. It needs to be clear. And clarity changes everything.